Hi babes, in today's video I'm going to be showing you all how I renovated my studio. I started by painting it. First of all, I did want to show this process just because I felt no, there's no need. But I just at a point when I was doing it, I felt okay, let me just carry you guys along just so you see that it is possible in case you want to try it out as well. So I started by painting. I already took out everything, how my studio was looking initially. So if you have been following me for a long time, you definitely know what my studio looks like before. So I'm going to be painting and I'm using a detailed brush to paint into like tiny corners that my bigger brush will not be able to get to. Now I went ahead to pick LED light. I have like 6 or 7 of these LED lights and I'm going to be using I think 4 out of it. So I saw this wall art design on Pinterest and I decided to recreate it on this LED light frame. I'm very, very artistic. So immediately when I saw it, I know I could recreate that because once I set my mind on something, trust me, guys, there's no limitation. I'll just go ahead and do it. And I always do it well. So I'm going ahead to just draw the detailing on the wall art just to make it look real and more like 3D lights. So and in case you guys are wondering, the paint I am using here, the color I'm using here is a poster color, so I can easily wash it off just in case I am tired with what the paint is looking like in the at the long run. So guys, after that I am going to go ahead and also do abstract, and I'm doing making use of like a neutral tone. I'm using black and I'm using gray just to make it look nice. After that, guys, I'm going to spray my chair. This chair is rusted and I usually buy what's it called, spray. I pick the same color with the chair and those another, but unfortunately this time I picked a wrong color, but I just had to use it like that. So once I'm done with that, I went ahead to clean everywhere, sweep, mop, and just to make everywhere look really nice and tidy. I'm super happy with what I did with this studio. It looks really, really beautiful. In fact, I was wowed when I finished. So I put in light, just put everything that needs to be where they are supposed to be. So guys, which of this side do you like the most? Do you like this part that is colorful, that brings life, brings vibe? I think I'm going to be doing get ready, sit down videos. I mean, like more like sit down, talk through videos in this part here. And on the other side, I'm also going to be doing sit down, like makeup tutorials, product reviews, and all that good stuff. So guys, and I was done with everything. I spent roughly 10 hours. I started 8 in the morning and I finished 6 in the evening. So let me know what you guys think. This is just to remind someone out there that it is possible. If you set your mind at it, you can achieve it. It is really, really, really possible. I am super excited. I am happy with what I was able to create. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Bye guys.